Hi everyone, Art Teacher Reviews here. Today we're reviewing another craft kit. This one is from Dollar Tree and it's the Crafter's Square DIY Needle Felting Kit, and it's a little strawberry keychain. So let's see if it's a good one. I found this craft kit in Dollar Tree for $1.25. I've been looking for it for a while and managed to find it not too long ago, which is great. So obviously, if you've ever shopped in Dollar Tree, it can sometimes be a bit of a treasure hunt, shall we say. Not all are created equal, so if you manage to find it, then give this video a thumbs up. Here I'm just unpacking the box, getting everything out. The wool all looks bright, colours great, variation of needles. So you've got a large, a medium, and then a small, finer detail needle, which is great for $1.25. I rolled up the red wool to make my base shape for my strawberry. If you've never needle felted before, the polystyrene square that you see is part of the kit and part of the process, so don't throw this away. It's to stop you punching into a hard surface with your needles or yourself. The needles are incredibly sharp and finely serrated at the edges. This is what knots the wool each time that you punch down into your wool. Don't do this too hard as they are easily broken. If this is your first kit, I recommend finger guards, which sometimes you can also find at Dollar Tree or easily online. So the process that you're seeing at the moment is sped up. I'm still using the largest needle in the kit. I keep turning the wool and punching through to get my desired strawberry shape. I gradually keep adding more of the red wool, wrapping it around and keep on punching the needles through to get a larger strawberry shape. Here I'm using some of the white wool, again kind of moulding the wool into the shape that I want. I'm now using the medium needle to attach this to the top of the strawberry. Now I've started using the finer detailing needle just so there's a bit of tonal value to the strawberry. You don't need to push this needle that far in, you're just, again, using it as a fine detail. Here I've started making the seeds by rolling the wool into small balls. Again, I recommend finger guards, especially for this part. You will get these kind of fluffy tufts as you do this, but just keep rolling and using the detailing needle till you're happy. The instructions say to poke some dents into the strawberry before placing the seed onto where you want it, which is a good tip. I prefer to go along the sides and be careful not to punch too far into the seed that you've made, as if you do, you'll see some of the red wool coming through the yellow. Here I'm just going around the strawberry, as when you tend to focus on one part, your shape can look quite uneven, so it's important to do that too. Now I'm starting to make the leaves for the strawberry. I did mine individually. The instructions actually show you a different way of doing this, which I'll show you in the last two leaves that I add to the strawberry. If you're really struggling with the leaves, if you have a sheet of green felt, you could cut your leaf shapes out and then needle felt them onto the top of your strawberry, which I thought would be a good option if you're finding that really tricky. Here's the technique shown in the instructions included. Basically, it tells you to join your leaves together, then place them onto the top of the strawberry, as I did for my last two leaves here. The process of joining the leaves beforehand, then applying them, made it slightly quicker than putting them on individually, if that's a deal breaker for you, time-wise. Here I am just refining some of the leaves with the fine detail needle. And keep going till you get a nice kind of solid shape and that you're happy with it. You will get some fluffies, always, I think, with needle felting, and you can always trim those off. Same principle with the leaves, with the stalk for the strawberry. Roll it into a shape and use the fine detail needle and just keep going over it until you're happy, and then just attach it as you did the other elements for the strawberry. Here I'm just attaching the keychain fob. You don't have to do so. If you bought a few of these kits, I think they'd actually make a really nice garland. Final thoughts for this kit. Brilliant, really. You can't beat the price. I think the first needle kit that I ever bought was at least 15 English pounds. It has everything you need with it. The only thing I would say if you're a beginner is to get a larger piece of polystyrene and definitely finger guards. Did I injure myself using this kit? Actually, no. As I've explained in previous videos, I have done quite a few needle felting projects before. So if you see this in Dollar Tree, absolutely pick it up. It's well worth your $1.25.